How to save a mirror selfie on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. After that, we go down to the selfies section and then tap on save selfies as previewed. Now tap on the back key and then open up your selfie camera. Here, tap on the shutter button and here say choose a color tone for your selfie. So you can choose warm or natural. And then we can take a photos. It will now capture and save a mirror selfie. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.